wish I could be the one who could give you up. The kind of love that we need. Wish I could say to you that I'll always stay with you. Baby, that's not me. You need someone willing to give their heart and soul to you. Promise you forever, baby, that's something I can do. Oh, I could say that I'll be on you, but that would be enough. I know I only hurt you. I know I only make you cry. I'm not the one you needed. I love you. Goodbye. I hope someday you can find some way to understand. I'm only doing this for you. I don't really wanna go, but deep in my heart I know this is the kindest thing to do. You'll find someone who'll be the one that I could never be. Who'll give you something better than the love you find with me. Oh, I just say that I'll be on you, but that would be a crime. I know I only hurt you. I know I only make you cry. I'm not the one you needed. I love you. Goodbye. Leaving someone when you love someone is the hardest thing to do. When you love someone as much as I love you. No, I don't wanna leave you. Maybe it tears me up inside that I'll never be the one you needed. I love you. Goodbye. Baby's never gonna work out. I love you. Hello. Thanks for watching.